Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about perspectives, worlds colliding, something along those lines, I guess. And it's really about this Brent Ozar article, who I like his content. And SQL Server Reporting Services is dead. Is SSIS next? And so, like in Brent, he's a SQL Server guy, right? And I know enough SQL Server to be dangerous, I'll say, but I'm much more of a Power BI guy. So maybe this is where like we have wildly different perspectives on this. And so if you read the article, basically he's like, oh, it's official. SQL Server 2022 was the last release for SSRS. Okay, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm reading this like, didn't that happen like 5 years ago when PBRS came out? Like, wasn't that obvious that PBRS was the superset of SSRS and SSRS was at that point dead in the water? But I mean, I guess it's not truly PBRS was not truly a replacement because there were certain features that were not in Power BI Report Server that were in SQL Server Reporting Services, which I didn't know that. I mean, I just always assumed that it was just a superset of it, right? I mean, I used SSRS and all that way back in the day. Um, and still I've used PBRS a bit, right? And still do some paginated reports from time to time. But it's definitely not, primarily what I do anymore, that's for sure. But yeah, I mean, so it got to me thinking like, okay, SSIS, right? And then it got to me thinking like, well, what about all these other Microsoft technologies I used to work with in the day, right? Skip past Exchange because it's basically online, and I don't even know if they've got what the current version of Microsoft Exchange is, if they're still releasing it for on-prem. I have no idea. I spent better part of a decade or so, working with that technology, but I left that behind a long time ago. So something else that so like SSAS, right? I mean, it's still there, I guess. But I was thinking like, oh, like back in the day, I used to do a lot with like System Center and Forefront Identity Manager and stuff. So I got interested, like, are they still making those things? Right? Because I guess it's been a while since I've touched them. I used to do a lot of consulting around those products and that. So yeah, I got to looking and it was like, oh, here's it's so Forefront Identity Manager is now a Microsoft Identity Manager. It looks like the last time that they did a release of that was 2016, and there's been, I guess, in support for this, like mainstream support's ending and extended support's going to end in like 2029, and they're moving more to like cloud focused, things and that sort of thing. But still, people did a lot with Microsoft Identity Manager or Forefront Identity Manager back in the day. I mean, I automated a ton of stuff with it for a bunch of different companies. But yeah, again, it's been a long time since I touched that technology. And then I was taking a look, yeah, what's next for users of Microsoft Identity Manager, right? I mean, I actually installed Zoom It back in the day. Right? And messed around with it and evaluated it for an organization that I was consulting for at the time. So interesting stuff. Uh, but yeah, so System Center, they did System Center 2025. They're still making it. It's alive and well. It's going strong. Who knew, right? But yeah, apparently you can still, because again, there weren't too many customers that I didn't work with that didn't do something with System Center. And it was, automating, deployments of software and patches and all kinds of, basically system administration and management, right, for all the PCs and everything that's out there. So again, I guess I kind of assumed it all gone in tune. But it still exists, right? So guess I've been living in the cloud too long. I just all this old on-prem stuff, it's just I don't deal with it anymore, right? So anyway, I just thought that was funny. It's like I'm like, why is Brent posting an article about SSRS dying? I thought it died 5 years ago. But apparently not. But now it's dead. So there you have it. Anyway, that is all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.